How to sync Outlook with Google Calendar. So first, go to your Outlook calendar here, and then just click on the calendar icon here at the top left corner. Next is just click on the gear icon here at the top right corner. Next, just click on the shared calendars here. And then what you need to do is just click on look for the publisher calendar, and then click on the drop down here, then click on calendar, then select permissions and just select can view all details, then just click on publish. Okay, now next is just copy this link for the ICS, click on copy link, close this. Next is just let's go to our Google Calendar here, and then what you need to do here is just go to other calendars here, then click on the plus icon here, and then just click on the from URL. Next, just type in the copied link or paste it here, and then just click on add calendar. Now let's just wait for it to load. So you can see now it's just fetching the events in the background, and as you can see now we have the settings for the calendar here for the Outlook. Let's go back, and let's just wait for it to load and to sync, and that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.